As we ease out of lockdown, we're all moving ahead with extreme caution. Businesses have really suffered, and there's going to be no quick fix. But on the 23rd and 24th of September, the Bristol business community is coming together for the first time at the Bristol Business Festival to meet, learn, network, share concerns and ideas to help get Bristol back to business. The Bristol Economy has been split into 10 key segments, each with its own keynote speaker to give you the big picture. We'll have breakout sessions with expert panels for in-depth discussion, Q&As, guidance and support. And there'll be workshops to learn, networking sessions to connect, and an expo area to do business. So, get involved. Many local businesses have already signed up to celebrate the immense talent and the dynamic business community we have here in Bristol. There are solutions out there, and it's by coming together and working together, sharing our knowledge and our expertise, that we'll get our economy back on track. Best of all, it's virtual, which means you can attend from the comfort of your home or dip in and out to fit around your schedule. You'll get great content, great networking, and the positive boost we all need in these difficult times. So join us at the Bristol Business Festival on the 23rd and 24th of September to meet, learn, network, and get Bristol back to business.